Hello guys, in this video I will draw an illustration based on these references. I already have an idea in my head of what the result will look like, but maybe I will change something along the way. In general, very often looking at cool references, ideas arise, but you don't want to redraw the photo one by one. Maybe for exercise you can do it. So, for example, with this illustration, I saw a photo of a red-haired girl with kittens and really wanted to draw one. Therefore, I decided to immediately show you the drawing process from idea to result. First, I draw a quick messy sketch of the pose of the girl from the right photo and place the cats. At this stage, I think about the composition, about the idea, and how interesting to show the interaction of the main character and additional characters. In the process of drawing a cleaner line, I changed the hairstyle, head shape, and placement of the cat, so I think it would be better. After the sketch, I draw the final line, simultaneously clarifying all the details. Since I want to convey a warm, cozy atmosphere in my illustration, while maintaining the red color of the girl hair, I use a color scheme similar to red. I also look at blue and green colors for contrast. Using the chosen colors, I quickly draw over the illustration. It doesn't matter now that the fills are perfect, as this is just a color sketch. For the second sketch, I choose a contrast of red and green. I will use a second color palette. I make the line lighter and brighter, reduce the opacity of the layer with the line to 20 to make it easier to fill with color. Since I have already decided on the color scheme, I take the colors from the sketch and make color fills on separate layers. There are a lot of fills and drawing of details too. I suggest you continue to watch the drawing process without my comments. If you want to know how I do light shadow modeling, then on my channel there is a video with the process of drawing a female portrait. There I talk about each stage of drawing. In this illustration I repeat all the same actions. So enjoy the video process. To complete the illustration, decided to add more details such as strips on the clothes, freckles on the face, and of course I couldn't forget about the whiskers for the cats. Please share your opinion. How do you like this video format? Do you like watching the drawing process or do you need more comments? And of course, if you have not subscribed yet, subscribe. I really appreciate your feedback. See you in the next video.